Hi all, this is your watch me first for the Zoom meeting. It's a very simple thing to do, and so let us look at it. When you go to the Zoom meeting, you're going to see the watch me first, and then you're going to see a link that says Zoom meeting sign up. So you click on this link. It is going to take you to a spreadsheet with times allotted. You have to attend one Zoom meeting. It is a mandatory Zoom meeting, but it is only one Zoom meeting that you have to attend, and you can attend at any one of these times. There is no restriction on that. It's a 20-minute meeting, and the expectation is the meeting is about your first observation paper. You do not have to have the paper done when you come for the Zoom meeting or you sign up for the Zoom meeting. But I do expect you to stay for the time, the whole time, and also that you have seen the instructions, watched a bit of the video that is posted for the instructions and expectations so that you know how or what this meeting is going to talk about. Your first observation paper is for 100 points. There is a very specific way that I want the paper to be written, connections to be made. And so this is really important that you follow these directions. On your chosen time, you just click on this link and it will take you to a room. There are up to 8 people can join one single meeting. So if somebody else is also signed up, you're more than welcome to sign up for that time. One thing that I want to make sure that you all understand that is that this does have a grade in the grade book. So attending the meeting and being there the whole time and just us having a conversation, if you don't even ask questions, I understand that part, but that is a grade that is there. If there are any questions, let me know. I look forward to actually seeing you guys.